Hi there. Welcome to our quick and comprehensive overview of the drug approval process. Whether you're in the clinical research space or just curious about how medicines make their way from the lab to your pharmacy shelf, you're in the right place. Let's break it down step by step. Before a drug can even touch a human subject, it has to go through preclinical research. First, laboratory testing is performed. Scientists study the drug's chemical makeup and biological activity, often testing its impact on cells or tissues in a petri dish. This helps predict how it might behave in the human body. Then comes animal testing. The drug is administered to animals like mice or rats to evaluate its safety profile and potential toxicity. Researchers monitor for side effects, effective dosages, and how the drug is metabolized. Once preclinical results are promising, it's time to apply for an investigational new drug, or IND. The IND application is submitted to the FDA or the respective regulatory body in the country. It's typically filed by the pharmaceutical company, academic researchers, or medical institutions conducting the trial. Trial goals are clearly outlined to demonstrate the drug's intended therapeutic effect and target condition. These goals help regulatory reviewers assess whether the clinical trials were designed appropriately to test safety and efficacy. The NDA includes detailed summaries of each trial's objectives, endpoints, and how those align with regulatory requirements. Next comes one of the most critical and time-intensive stages: clinical trials conducted in phases. Phase 1 tests the drug in a small group of healthy volunteers, 20 to 100 people. It focuses on evaluating safety, dosage range, and how the body absorbs, distributes, and eliminates the drug. Phase 2 involves a larger group of participants who have the condition the drug is meant to treat. Here, researchers focus on the drug's effectiveness and continue monitoring safety and side effects. Phase 3 scales up the trials to hundreds or even thousands of patients across multiple locations. This phase compares the drug to standard treatments or placebos and gathers critical data on efficacy, risks, and benefits. But wait, there are two more phases many people overlook. Phase 0, also called microdosing studies, involves very small doses in just a few people. It's used to speed up drug development by providing early human data on how the drug behaves in the body. Phase 4 happens after approval. These post-marketing studies track long-term effects, performance in broader populations, and any rare or unexpected side effects. If the drug passes all clinical phases, it's time to file a new drug application, or NDA. The NDA submission date marks a major milestone in the drug's development. It signifies the formal request to market the drug and includes all data from preclinical and clinical trials. The NDA also includes proposed labeling and usage guidelines, safety and efficacy results, manufacturing and packaging plans, risk management strategies. And next, the FDA steps in to review everything thoroughly. They examine safety data, which includes side effects, tolerability, and whether any adverse reactions outweigh the drug's potential benefits. They also analyze efficacy data to confirm that the drug works as intended for the specific condition it targets. Lastly, the manufacturing process is reviewed to ensure consistent quality, purity, and compliance with good manufacturing practices, GMP. Approval isn't the finish line. Monitoring continues. For long-term effects, the FDA and manufacturers track how the drug performs over time, sometimes across years or decades. They also keep an eye out for adverse reactions, especially rare or delayed side effects that weren't evident in clinical trials. At Octalsoft, we know how complex and critical this process is. That's why our clinical trial management suite is built to make drug development faster, more efficient, and more effective. From managing trial data and documentation to ensuring regulatory compliance and streamlining communications, our tech helps CROs and pharma companies accelerate timelines without compromising on quality or safety. With real-time dashboards, intuitive workflows, and powerful automation, Octalsoft empowers your team to focus on what really matters, bringing life-changing therapies to patients sooner. Want to know more about how Octalsoft can expedite your next clinical trial? Book a demo with us today. Octalsoft, technology simplified.